The vacuum mat for air shower room can be additionally installed on the existing air shower. The biggest cause of pollution of clean room starts as people enter the place. The product strongly inhales the dust on the shoe sole and can be installed on the floor of an air shower. By simply installing this product, the existing air shower can be transformed to 4-way cutting-edge air shower. Vacuum mat for air shower room, which fundamentally complemented the weakness of the existing air showers, can be easily used as it can operate together with air shower and is in module structure that is easy for maintenance.